Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 Update KB5079473 not installing with error code 0x800f0983. First, open the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5079473. Download the update that matches your Windows version and system type, and install it manually. If it's still not installing, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the commands provided in the video description one by one. Let each scan complete, then restart your computer. Now go back to Windows Settings, Windows Update, and click Retry. You can also pause updates and resume updates once, and check again. If the update still fails, type Services in the Windows search box and open it. Find Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and App Readiness. Open each one, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, Start if available, and restart the service. If the issue continues, go to Windows Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and choose Fix Problems using Windows Update to reinstall Windows without losing files. As a last step, you can use the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft website to repair and update Windows. One of these methods should fix the problem. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.